uvuye Bubanza ukashika ngaha
imbo
cyangwa ukava muri Muramvya ukumva ucotse ucugera ngaha ugaca waha ivyatsi uku burya umaze gukubita nkuku burya ubushoshe wumva ubabara ngaha bwose buca buhava burya ucubita ngaha
gute bahita ngo iki hano hantu
aha bahita kumwahiriro
kumwahirirwa naherera ivyatsi sisura kuruha
wewe ushitse ku moto kitete uraza kumbwira ko atabucoke wageze nk'abantu
nta bucoke okay ngire gute nkaca nta kumwahirirwa kumwahirirwa sinsubira kuruha mwavyumvise iyi ni trick y'abantu baba ngaha barabizi rero ntawe ubahariritse My friend Irina, yes, we had been planning, calling her, are you coming to TEZA Trail? Because we've always made the trip together. So yeah, so I was happy that she's here. Yeah. So look at the forest. Look at the forest. We took the longer loop. We decided to take the longer loop because, yeah, we can. It's 12 kilometers, almost 12, and then yes, they say we will add three. Yes, yeah. When you yeah yeah we are fit. Yes, we are fit enough. So she's a mother of 3, by the way. So she's fit and she's a yoga. Yeah. There is one, Sarah. Yes. So that's a little stream over there. Yeah. So yeah, that's a stream of water. Yeah. So they said that we're going to add the 3 kilometers and then you're going to arrive at the waterfall. So no one wants to miss a waterfall. So that's why I followed. I had actually planned to do the 6.5 loop, but Irina, you know, she hyped me up. She said, Dalila, you have to take the longer one because I'm an avid hiker. Yeah.
We took last time we did two, but there was no waterfall.
Yeah.
This is new road.
This is new. Was 2021 when we last came? Yeah, 2021. I still have the photos on my IG page. So yeah, we don't have to take a faster pace. That's the beauty of it. You can always walk on your comfortably. Some people will run, but no, we won't be running. We're just walking, So yeah, see you again. I'll keep taking short videos and be showing you. Okay, I'm wearing the TEZA Trail, as you can see, TEZA Trail t-shirt. Yeah, I purchased it because I like to keep memorabilia. Yes, they call it memorabilia, just to remember. My first t-shirt is even finished by now. The t-shirt I bought in 2021 finished. So yeah, so let me show you the other side. Yeah, so yeah, it's like a deep jungle. Yeah, boys with walking stick following us for whoever is tired and need to buy a walking stick. See how dense the forest gets. Yeah, so it's marked with yellow. When no, it's the yellow one. This loop is the yellow loop.
In some places they are coming.
They are going to meet eventually. Okay. They intersect. Yeah. But the longer loop is the yellow one. See that. See that beauty. I'm making friends on this trip. Look at this flower.
Нет, здесь есть в этом.
Yeah, look at this. This is the Kibira forest. These are locals. They probably work here. Ulikula hichai? Ah, ulikula bagar. On a Saturday, she's doing field work. She loves her tea plantation.
I think she has to work.
On a Saturday, though, I thought she will rest.
You think she's not gonna eat on Saturday?
No one rests eating, so we eat every day. Our tummy. Oh. Oh. I think that's Frozen in Russia. That's the song, that's the theme song for Frozen in Russia. Look at that. It's like Tarzan used to fling on these trees. Oh my goodness. My word. Okay, I'll stop and keep updating you as we get deeper into the forest. Ciao, ciao, my people. Love you. Yeah, now the hike is at its, we are sweating already. Our veins are sticking out. Yeah.
But it's truly delightful. It is wonderful.
I've just met my Russian friend here, so he will tell you his name.
The Russian name is Nikita, but I also go by Nick, and I am half Russian, half Canadian.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a wonderful experience here. It's a great place to be. Greetings from everywhere else around the world. It's truly wonderful.
Yeah, I just told him I'm vlogging, so he's happy to speak to my channel viewers.
Because
So-
I want to be seen, If you have a million subscribers, I'll take it. 1 billion. Hello world. Hello world.
Surely, slowly, steadily we'll get there.
One day.
Yeah,
When you see this video, it was Nick all along.
Umusunge. Yes, and then also we have another friend here from Japan, guys, all the way. So you can see Burundi is being visited by other nations, far and beyond, all coming here. All from where?
From Switzerland.
Oh, Switzerland. Lausanne
From Zurich.
Zurich. Oh, you see, we meet people here today, and we mingle, and we are going to network, exchange numbers, and we stay in touch. So it's lovely. Yay! Oh, sorry. Yeah. Sorry, we have escort because we are deep in the jungle, so we should have some police.
You don't like that.
Yeah, I know. So yeah, that's why I'm turning the camera away. We have escort, and it's not good. It's not good to. Yeah, the road is wider now. It's wider, and yeah, but we are about to take. This was the main road, so we're going to take this small path now. As you can see, we're going to take this small path. Don't go back. Yeah.
I was listening to your accent. I'm like, that does not sound like
Very fun. Oh, Nick, I want to ask you one more question.
Tell me about it.
Yeah. So,
It's good.
Nick, it's your first time in Burundi.
Oh, yes, it is.
Yes. So, what made you decide to come visit Burundi?
Oh, I don't know. I just sat down at one point. I was sitting and I was thinking, what do I want to do with my life? What do I want to do with my summer? And then I did some looking up. I texted some people, I texted some friends, and I discovered that I have a friend here in Burundi. And so 2 weeks later, I was buying tickets to a country. The first time I'm traveling anywhere in the world. The second time I was on a plane to Burundi.
Oh,
And
wonderful.
I have zero regrets.
Yes.
Zero.
Yes. How long are you planning to stay?
I've spent a month here, and I'm planning to spend 2 more.
2 more.
So I'm planning to learn the language, learn the cuisine,
Yes.
learn the people, and I'm planning to have a great time.
The greeting is Yambu already.
Yambu.
Niki.
Yambu, Jambo.
Yeah, Jambo is Swahili.
Yeah, but
so it's close. It's
next
close.
door, next
It's
door.
Bantu language. Yambu, Jambo, it's more or less the same. So you'll tell me Yambu Niki, say Yambu Dalila.
Yambu Dalila. There you go.
There
Learn the
you
word
go.
already.
Yes. So when you go, no, first, where do you live here in Burundi? In Bujumbura?
Buterere.
Yeah.
I live in Buterere, right
Okay.
next door. It's a wonderful place, surrounded by rice fields, surrounded by wonderful people. It's really great.
So what are you busy with every day when you are here?
There's a mission there. It's called Back to Life. It's an orphanage. There's a lot of people there that are struggling, a lot of kids. There's a city dump right next door. And so at that city dump, there's, again, a lot of kids. So we try to help them out. We bring them in. We give them food. We give them medication. We help them in any way that we can. We bring them to school. Right now, we're building a play structure for them. So again, little things here and there. It's a really grassroots kind of place. Not a lot going on, but it's really wonderful, and I'm trying to help out in any way that I can.
Yeah, is it satisfying to do all this humanitarian work around?
Of course. I mean, it's interesting. It's a massive change of pace. I'm used to working 13, 14 hours a day over here. There's no internet and there's no work anymore. You know, translator doesn't come, no work. But again, any day we try to do our best to help out in any way that we can.
Yeah, so it's fulfilling. When you go back, you feel like you have served a bit humanity. You have done.
Yes, of course, yeah. And then I can go right back to playing video games.
Oh my goodness. So it's nice seeing you. And what are you gonna say about Burundi? What's your take when you go back to Canada?
It's a wonderful place, wonderful people, a little too hot for my liking, but beyond that, I'll take it.
It's a humid
It's humid, yeah.
Yeah, it's humid. Sometimes we also do get malaria. But I hope you've taken malaria medication.
Yeah,
so that
there's preventative medication, mefloquine.
Yeah, preventive. Yeah.
So I took 4 months worth of that medication. So I've been. A lot of other people in our team have gotten malaria, but luckily I've been pretty successful in avoiding it so far.
Oh, good. God is good for you.
Yeah, he's been delightful so far.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you'll watch my videos. You will subscribe to my channel,
Of course.
comment,
Yeah, totally,
like,
totally.
and then you also tell your friends to follow me also.
I will do that right now, but there's no internet.
There's
Otherwise,
no,
I'll
we
be
are-
scrambling on my phone.
We are deep
doing
in the
exactly
jungle.
that.
We are deep in the jungle, so there is no way. So we want to take a picture here.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay,
See you later.
guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, look at these trees. They have covered the sky. It's like you can't see the sky from here. It's like a roof. Oh my goodness. Baririye. This fruit right here grows from this tree. It used to be eaten like this. It's called amorphe, and it grows on the tree by itself. People survive.
Yeah,
eating
jungle
this.
fruit, yeah. That's how they call it, jungle fruit.
He's a local. Me this fruit. He's a local. Witwande? Ndikuriyo. Ubangaha nyene. Yego none aka kayira muhora mugacamwo mwijoro. Nimwe mwagaciye. Iyi nzira ni iy'ikirundi.
Iyi nzira ni iy'ikirundi twayibamwo tukibaha mu Kibira mu Bwimo
mwarahavuye.
twarahavuye rero ubuya ubu rero duca dukora ibi
udandaza inkoni
ego me baca tubishora hagiteza
ego naryohewe kukubona uraduherekeje rero
ego me
tugende rero tugende urumva rero muri no shamba turashobora kubona inguge inkende ziriyo
inguge n'imafu byose biriyo
n'ibindi bikoko inzoka
inzoka rero kubera zitaguma nkaha aye irashobora kwigumira hejuru ku giti ukarengana itegetse
igukoma okay
uvuye bubanza ukashika ngaha
imbo
cyangwa ukava muri muramvya ukumva ucotse ucugera ngaha ugaca waha ivyatsi uku burya umaze gukubita inkuku burya ubushoshe wumva ubabara ngaha bwose buca buhava burya ucubita ngaha
gute bahita ngo iki hano hantu
aha bahita kumwahiriro
kumwahirirwa naherera ivyatsi sisubira kuruha
wewe usitse ku modoka itetse uraza kumbwira ko atabucoke wageze nk'abantu
nta bucoke okay ngire gute nkaca nta kumwahirirwa kumwahirirwa sisubira kuruha mwavyumvise iyi ni trick y'abantu baba ngaha barabizi rero ntawubahariritse
ibinyani
we ntiwahe isaka wahe n'ibi iya byose
hariho ututoroshe kubita ku mavi tutahajya kumwahirirwa yes we took a shortcut to the waterfall TEZA, the one that we were told. I don't know if this is the bigger part of it because it looks small otherwise. Otherwise it looks small. I thought it's a huge one like the Kibira Falls. But yeah, there's the back.
Oh, you're here too?
Yeah, I am. There it is. So the eye is really cold. Yeah. So I'm going back. Pardon. It's a bit slippery, so I have to be careful. Yeah. So yeah, I had to see the waterfall. Yeah, I added 3 more kilometers. So we are going. We are continuing. Yeah, we are continuing because we have to reach the others. The hike was supposed to be 3 hours for the slow walkers. Yeah, for the slow walkers it was supposed to be 3 hours. The last person. Yeah. So we came from here. Yeah, yeah. She's a bit hurt her leg. She hurt her leg. So now we are going this way. So yeah. Yeah, but we wait on one another. Yeah, but you left me for a bit. You left me, and if you leave me, I'm not gonna make it.
You have no choice.
If I'm the last one at the back, I'll turn around, or I'll sleep in this forest. Guys, you don't know how dense is this forest. Like, it's really the natural rainforest of Kibira. It's so, like, it's so green. Yeah. So yeah, during the war, people will not even dare come here. Yeah. During the civil war, we used to hear Kibira, and then yeah, there was a lot of fighting here. Yes. But now Kibira is safe. Kibira is safe. You can't believe some people come here every weekend to hike. So it's safe. You just pay the fee there by the guide, and you have your guides to take you through this loop. Because we are so many, it's easier, but when you visit on your own, you have to pay the guides. Yeah, so it's a guided tour, but Kibira is safe, and this is what it was meant to serve the Burundian people. It was meant to be enjoyed, nature, fresh air. Yeah, it was meant to be visited like this. We haven't met any animals, but every time we pass trees, they are labeled. A green one. Oh my god. Yeah, she met a snake, but it was just rushing through the. So, yeah, as they told us that there is chimpanzees, but we haven't met any. But they have labeled the trees to show their names in Kirundi, the botanical names. Yes, to show that yeah, like this one. I don't know what it is. Oh yes, it's labeled. Let me get closer to the label. He's taking a picture, Eliezer. Yeah, so let me let me also show you what. Oh my goodness, it's called ikigomogomo. Latin is Ensete vitricosum. Yes, plan another visit to learn more about the trees and plants in Kibira. Planifiez une autre visite et apprenez plus sur les arbres et plantes de la Kibira. Yes, the guy is Bonheur. This is his phone number. I think he's the one who labeled this. He should be a biologist. Yeah, because then we wouldn't know there's biological names of the plant. Yeah, look at it. Look at it. Yeah, it looks like banana, but it's short. It's short. So yeah. So guys, I'm happy. I'm really happy. I'll meet you towards. This is deep in the inside. Like we've hiked for 2 hours now, and we should hike for more 1 hour, 1 more hour. See you at the finish line. Waterfall, yeah. Water so clean and pure from the source up there. Yeah, so cool.
Plongé dans la vie, rencontre des gens, découvre l'envie, explore les modes et les situations pour enrichir notre compréhension. Comme un miroir de nos espoirs, des vies diverses, des nouveaux regards. Pour notre communauté, un impact fort, positif et vrai jusqu'à nos portes. Regarde autour, nous sommes là, pour toi, pour moi et pour nos voix. Ensemble nous irons plus loin, Odier, tirer main dans la main. Au Burundi, au cœur de nos terres, des histoires qui touchent des cœurs sincères. Un voyage pour mieux se connaître, pour mieux aimer, et les mains dans l'air. Au Burundi, au cœur de nos terres, des histoires qui touchent des cœurs sincères. Un voyage pour mieux se connaître, pour mieux aimer et mieux paraître. Un monde plus juste à chaque pas, des liens se tissent, chacun de nous y croit. Notre histoire, notre devoir, Odier, tirer pour y voir. Regarde autour, nous sommes là, pour toi, pour moi. TV main dans la main. Au Burundi, au cœur de nos terres, des histoires qui touchent des cœurs sincères. Un voyage pour mieux se connaître, pour mieux aimer, et les mains dans l'air. Un monde plus juste à chaque pas, des liens se tissent, chacun de nous y croit. Notre histoire, notre devoir, ODL TV pour y voir. Regarde autour, nous sommes là, pour toi, pour moi et pour nos voix. Ensemble nous irons plus loin, ODL TV main dans la main. Dive into life with ODL TV. New people discover desire. Explore modes in every scene. Our understanding lifts us higher. A mirror to our hopes and dreams. Diverse lives, new perspectives grow. A strong impact we grounded here. Positive and true for all. Look around, we are here. For you, for me, and for our voices. Together now we go further. ODL TV hand in hand. In Burundi, hearts beat strong. Stories touch, also sincere. The journey to know yourself, to love and see so much clearer. A fairer world with every step. Bonds are woven, faith is deep. Our history, our duty calls. ODL TV for us to see. Look around, we are here. For you, for me, and for our voices. Together now we go further. ODL TV hand in hand. Look around, we are here. For you, for me, and for our voices. Together now we go further. ODL TV hand in hand. Dive into life with ODL TV. New people discover desire. Explore modes in every scene. Our understanding lifts us high.